Morning guys, it is Monday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a kiwi strawberry propel water, an Arizona iced tea lemonade, of course as always the water cooler. The sandwich today I made on these soft like little sub rolls. This has roast turkey, some sharp cheddar, some spring mix, and some jalapeno aioli. I gave him a little container of sour cream and onion Pringles, a little cupcake that my son made with his Nana over the weekend. It's just a chocolate cupcake. And they made homemade frosting out of like confectionery sugar and then decorated them. And I think they made the cupcakes from scratch as well. They baked them together on Saturday, I believe. And then also I had some nuts left from the bags I used in a previous week's food prep. So I just made a little bit of mixed nuts. My husband really liked them. We love nuts. So this one is the almonds, the pecans, and then the pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds. And this is lunch today on Monday. We'll see you tomorrow. Morning guys, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Dr. Pepper and an Arnold Palmer iced tea lemonade. Some of the pasta salad that I did for my food prep this week, I just portioned them out for his lunches, so I have that for him. The sandwich you saw me make, it's like a mini little sub on a soft sub roll. Turkey, cheddar, some jalapeno aioli, some romaine, and some bacon that I also did for food prep for the week. A Sargento sharp cheddar cheese stick. This is just a fork for the pasta salad. And then a nutty chocolate coated and drizzled granola bar from Trader Joe's. And this is lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm packing him a kiwi strawberry propel water, one of the Gatorade flows in the blackberry wave. And I made like sort of my take on like a BLT salad. So obviously the L being the lettuce, I used romaine, and then I put a bunch of chopped tomatoes, a bunch of bacon, and then I did add other things. Sugar snap peas, broccoli, cucumber, some cheese, and I have ranch dressing here, but it definitely has like a lot of BLT flavor going on. The last of the cupcakes, or cupcake that Grady made with his Nana over the weekend. Some bags I made up for food prep. I've got celery, carrots, and then some Laughing Cow creamy garlic and herb Swiss cheese that you sort of open up and then dip the veggies in. And then I did make up also for food prep. You guys have already seen that video by now. It's like thick sliced deli turkey that I rolled around a slice of sharp cheddar cheese. Because this is something Matt eats at home, so I thought why not make it portable. So anyways, this is his lunch today, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a watermelon propel, an Arizona iced tea lemonade sandwich today. I made on this Mastriani sliced Italian bread. It's like a soft but hearty white bread. And I went with a good old American classic crunchy PB&J strawberry jam. Some carrot and celery sticks with the Laughing Cow creamy pure Swiss to dip the veggies in. A Halloween cupcake. My sister actually brought some Halloween cupcakes over, so we're having those. And then one of the turkey, the thick sliced turkey and cheese, like little roll-up things. But yeah, this is his lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow on Friday. Morning guys, it's Friday. We made it to the end of the week once again. I'm packing up Matt's work cooler today with a Starbucks mocha frappuccino drink, a Gatorade flow in the blackberry wave. We actually had some marinated chicken last night, and I made an extra thigh, boneless, skinless, so I just chopped it up. It's in the Baja citrus marinade. It's really good, and put it over a bed of romaine with all kinds of different veggies. I've got cucumber, carrot, celery, tomato, red pepper, some cheese, and then I put some ranch on the side. This is a nice big salad, a fork, one of the Quaker chocolate chip dipped granola bars, some mixed nuts. We have pecans, almonds, and pumpkin seeds in here, and then a piece of barbecue jerky, beef jerky from Oscar's Smokehouse up in Warrensburg. So this is his lunch today on Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's lunches. I have an entire playlist of these videos down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.